quiz host. I've been doing this for the past 11 years now. I have hosted multiple quizzes in Ahmedabad for school students and also for college students. This time we are here for TCS Inquisitive in the 2026 edition, which is a science, technology, engineering quiz for school students of our country. It's being held in multiple cities of our country, and we've completed 27 years of this quiz. The names have been slightly different, but TCS has had this commitment towards school children to encourage them and increase their knowledge in this sector for 27 years. It is one of the there have been other quizzes that are longer, but it is one of the longest running quizzes in the country for school children. And year on year, we have had children in huge numbers, large numbers coming and taking part across the country. Ahmedabad today has seen a very large participation. We have had close to 500 students here who are taking part, and thanks to schools and teachers who bring them here. That's amazing of all of you and the parents. And we also have schools that have come in from various places from Gujarat as well, from Anand, from Surat. They've travelled all the way to come here and take part, from Vadodara as well. So this is a quiz that is extremely well known in the school segment, and school students and schools generally wait for this quiz. We keep getting messages asking
how many rounds were there and how many teams are participating today?
So usually we have a preliminary round, that is a pen and paper round that happens, and after the preliminary round 6 teams will qualify on stage. So now the final will happen, and from that final the winner will make it to the national semi-finals. So that winner will represent Gujarat in the national semi-finals. If the team does well in the national semi-finals, they will go into the national final of this year's TCS Inquisitive.
So how many states are there?
So we have this year we have gone to 12, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 12 different states is what we've gone. The number of states keep changing actually. So certain years we increase the number of states. It depends on how the participation comes in also. So that is how it is.
What is the criteria of selecting or participating?
There is no criteria as such. It is a free quiz, and there is nothing that TCS is expecting out of the children other than creating a platform for them to do well in these subjects.
Age bar?
Class 8 onwards up to class 12 is what they can take part. So
How TCS is helping them?
they get exposed to so many other topics that they don't get exposed to otherwise in schools. Schools try their best, but sometimes certain topics you need outside interventions to come in, and they have to help them out to open their horizons and learn more about these things. So different topics across science, technology, engineering, robotics, so many other technologies that TCS gets them introduced to, so they can, even if they don't know, they'll go back, they'll read, they get curious.
Since
So
you are doing this 11 years, what was your noted from day 1 year to
competition is very, very high from what it was from year 1 to now. The students have pushed us to research better. Every year we have to push ourselves to get our research better and better. Quality has to get better. Questions have to get tougher. We have to create new rounds for them that is interesting, that gets them to think. So yeah, I mean, a very tough competition.
To add to it, how different TCS quiz is from other quizzes?
See, the topic itself, it is very different. Most other quizzes are GK quizzes that are there for school children, and some quizzes also have an angle of India to it. While TCS also has an angle of India to it, basically on what kind of innovations have been done in India. But the topics in science, technology, engineering, those, and some amount of math as well. That
Innovation is the thrust.
Innovations in all these subjects, topics happen, right? So we talk about new inventions in these as well. That is one of the areas that we cover in our research. So these topics are very different from what happens in other quizzes across the country for school
Okay,
children.
what's the response of girls compared to boys in this?
Sorry, what's the response?
Girls.
What's the response of girls compared to boys?
So gender doesn't matter. Answer sheet is an answer sheet. A brain is a brain. Brain doesn't have a gender at all. So gender doesn't really matter. But I have seen this in the last 5 to maybe 6 years. The participation of girls has increased a lot. It was not this much. girls today are far more courageous. They press, even if they would qualify, they wouldn't press the buzzer. Today, girls take chances, they press the buzzer, they are not scared of the negatives anymore. They're trying their best. So that way I have seen a change, but I wouldn't say that is a girls versus boys. It's not a comparison that is there, because quality wise it's the same, there is no gender to answers at all.
What it takes to be a very good quiz master like you?
Okay, thank you first of all. See, I just love doing what I do. I think that is the mantra for anything, not only quiz hosting. If you enjoy what you're doing, if you see me on stage there, you can't tell that I have not eaten anything in the last 3 hours, because I don't feel it either. So it is how it is. It gives us energy to do better. So if you love doing what you do, and I hope many of us are able to find that, I'm fortunate to be able to find that for myself. That is how I am the way I am. And take a chance on yourself. If you think you can do something good, please try. If you don't try, you'll never know if you're good at it or not. That is all it takes.
So good luck for today.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
We'll sneak on through the main